You can't draw the round Earth on a flat surface without distorting it in some way. Projections control how that distortion is applied. So if you're making a map, choose a projected coordinate system because it will use a projection. Each projection distorts the Earth differently. You need to choose one that is best for your map's area and purpose. You might be tempted to avoid choosing a projection by using a geographic coordinate system, making what some people call an unprojected map. But don't be tricked. These maps are projected too. Remember, it's impossible to draw the round Earth on a flat surface without distorting it. These maps use the pseudo-Poincaré projection. It's very unlikely that this is the best projection for your map. If you really want to make an unprojected map, use a global scene. But if you're making a flat map, choose a projected coordinate system. You are making a map of the Falkland Islands and South Georgia Island. There is no out-of-the-box coordinate system for this area, so you'll create a custom one. You could click New Projected Coordinate System, but instead, click New Suggested Projected Coordinate System. This tool will recommend a projection and parameters for your map. Type a name. For extent, choose Extent of Data in all layers. This extent is too large because one of your layers is a base map. Choose the extent of the group layer instead. You plan to use your map for spatial analysis, so for projection property, choose Equal Area. The new coordinate system uses the Albers projection with custom parameters. Albers is a good choice for continents and smaller areas with an east-west extent that need to be equal area. Click Save. The current XY button updates. Click OK to apply the coordinate system to the map. You need to make sure that this map uses the same coordinate system as the other maps in your study. Right-click the map, click Properties, and click the Coordinate Systems tab. There are many coordinate systems to choose from. Click Set Spatial Filter to filter the list based on the extent of your data. Click the Sample Locations layer. The selected extent updates. Click Apply. The list of coordinate systems filters, but there are still several to choose from. If you have another data set that you know uses the correct coordinate system, click Import Coordinate System. Choose the data set and click OK. Alternatively, if you know the well-known ID or WKID of the coordinate system, you can search for it to further filter the list. The current XY button tells you that the map's coordinate system has been updated. Click OK to apply the change. To choose a coordinate system for a map, right-click the map, click Properties, and click Coordinate Systems. A good place to start is the Layers section. Here you can see the coordinate systems used by the layers in your map. The base map layers usually use Web Mercator. This coordinate system is not recommended for maps. Right-click each coordinate system and click Details to learn more. Check that the coordinate system is projected. Only projected coordinate systems are appropriate for making maps. Check the projection. Research the projection to find out if it preserves the qualities necessary for your map. Check the area of use to see that it includes the extent of your map. Check the Geographic Coordinate System, or GCS. It's ideal if all the layers use the same GCS as the map to avoid the need for transformations. Click a coordinate system to choose it. The current XY button will update. Click OK to apply it to your map.